Excuse me. Hello, good day. My name is Daniel Mackay, and I'd like to talk to you about my week 4 project for iOS network and validation. My app allows users to update data on the Firebase. It prevents invalid data from being inputted, detects the connection status, and implements offline capabilities for my application. Alright, so first let me take a look at the application. This is my Firebase database here. We'll be looking at this one here. This is the one that's going to be updated when I test it. Alright, so you can see the app is loaded here. Alright, I can click login with Facebook. It logs in, takes me to my data page. I can enter data. Alright, and I save the data. You can see the data here is changed. Alright, I can delete the data. You can see the data here was deleted. Right now that and this says null here as well. So I can now update the data. Let's just put my school 2.9, right? And you can see now that this has been added back with my information that I want to try. Alright, so let me just update the data one more time to show you the data validation. Alright, so I'll just type in some random letters. And I'll just type in my name and I'll type in 123T before 5T. And you can see I must enter a number. Even if I press comma 000, you can see it says I must enter a number to enter. I think so. Now if I press 1.323, you'll see the data is saved, and that's that. Alright, now let me show you the offline capabilities. Let me just disconnect from the Wi-Fi. Right, so, oops. Sorry about that. This is so. Right, you can see the Wi-Fi is off. Alright, so if I go to update the data now, I'll change it back to full sail. I'll go to 2.871. As you see, the data has not updated here as yet because we're disconnected from the Wi-Fi. Alright, and you can see the data here is updated. Alright, now I know it's not best practice to navigate from a view controller back to another one like I did here. I'll show you here in my storyboard. Alright, but I wasn't able to figure out exactly how to get this into my navigation controller, because when I logged in from here to here, it goes in, logging in with Facebook takes you to here. When you're already logged in, it comes straight to this view controller. So I wasn't too sure exactly how to get around that issue on going backwards. Alright, so let me go back to Firebase here and let me go back here. Alright, so you see I have to go back a couple times. Right, you can see it allows me to log out when I'm offline. Alright, now if I try to log in when I'm offline, this is what happens. As you can see now, it says I'm also not signed in because I'm logged out. So if I try to log in offline, this is what happens. It goes to this page. I'm not exactly sure why it goes to this page, but when I click done, an alert comes up saying that there is no internet connection. Now I'm not exactly sure why it goes to that page, because in my code here, for example, I believe it's my controller, right? I test the connection before it gets the error message and the access token and everything else. So I'm not too sure why it's navigating to the web browser still, even though it's not connected. But that is what's happening. But anyway, this is my and you can see now. Sorry, let me turn back on the Wi-Fi. Right, this should update. So you see, it's not logged in, right? So let me turn back on. As I turn back on the Wi-Fi here, this here should update as well from the data that I had entered while I was offline. Alright everyone, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.